Welcome everyone. Today I'll be solving question number 35 of the 2022 GATE Biotechnology paper. The question is, for a pure species, the slope of the melting line dP by dt at minus 2 degrees Celsius is minus 5.0665 into 10 to the power 6 Pascal per Kelvin. The difference between the molar volumes of the liquid and solid phase at minus 2 degrees Celsius is minus 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube per mole. You have to find out the value of the latent heat of fusion rounded off to the nearest integer. So let's see how to solve this. As you can see in this graph, the line that I'm indicating right now is the melting line, which indicates the phase at which or the temperature and pressure at which the solid turns into liquid. We have given you the slope of this line. To solve this question, you will need to know a certain equation called the Clapeyron equation, which is dP by dt, or the slope of the melting line, is equal to delta H by T into delta V, where delta H is the latent heat of fusion, T is the temperature, and delta V is the difference between volumes. If you rearrange this equation, you can find out the value of delta H, which will be equal to dP by dt into T into delta V. The values for all these are given to you in the question itself. So let's input them. dP by dt is given to you as minus 5.0665 into 10 to the power 6 into temperature, which is given to you as minus 2 degrees Celsius, but you have to convert that to Kelvin. So you do that by addition of 273 to the Celsius. So you get a value of 271 Kelvin into the delta V. That is the difference between volumes. That is minus 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Once you solve this, you get an answer of 6178.596 Pascal meter cube per mole. They have asked you for the answer in joule per mole. Now, when you take into account the conversion, 1 joule is equal to Pascal meter cube. So that means you don't need to do any conversion in this case. The answer becomes 6178.596, since Pascal meter cube is there. That can be written as joule per mole. And now rounding off to the nearest integer, the answer will become 6179 joule per mole. So this is the correct answer for this question. That's it for this question. I hope that was easy for you to understand. Thank you so much for listening.